halfway through cooking your cake, we put a crown on it to stop the top from overcooking and burning. So it's okay to get your cakes out of the oven for just a few minutes. We've got 7 in the oven at the moment, but they're only little ones. So you can do them probably 4 at a time is the best. So the crown is a circle of paper that just sits directly on top of the fruit, and then a piece of tin foil that we curl up. That's what we call a crown, and it just sits in there, and it just protects the top of the cake so that it doesn't overcook. Because often you'll see Christmas cakes and what's happened to them is that they've overcooked on top and they look a bit black and discoloured, and that ruins them, and we don't want to ruin the cakes that we're making, so we do this. So that's, if your cooking time is 3 hours, you do that about 1.5 hours into your cooking time to make sure that it's done.